So I started like this. I made a little bit, but it's not a lot. Type of shit. A little Ciroc pineapple. Who's gonna know, right? Who's gonna know? Put a little Malibu. Who's gonna know? Look at my sister's out there having a great time. I don't know what time that. I think she's wrong.
This map here. This here. Right there.
Today is Friday night. I'm still in Miami, bitch. That's how we do it in Miami. We got to bring the boat back because obviously the engine's not ready. But we're gonna get it painted tomorrow. Actually, it was painted tonight. It's gonna be installed tomorrow morning. We're gonna get this bitch back in 100%. Get everything hooked up. I want to get everything hooked up before I drive back or fly back to Vegas on Monday evening. Yeah, I don't have a trailer. That's why it's a rental trailer right there. It's a rental trailer. I need to buy a trailer for this fucking boat. Now it's gonna cost me another fucking 10 grand. Anyways, I got my sister there having a good time. Got my niece, brother-in-law, niece, my wife. This is it. Yeah, man.
Ya paraste hace rato videotaping.
No.
Lo vi en un mar.
It's Friday night. God damn, made a long.
Recording.
Yeah, man.
Oh, I just fucked it up.